All right, I am here at Windsor Castle. You are on the corner, but right next to the house is this playground here. Let's go take a look. Beautiful big tree here, 2 of them. Nice shade, but they do have them trimmed far enough away from the roof that you shouldn't have any problems. Nice bright red door. You walk in and you're immediately in your living room, and to the left here you have your dining room area. Down this hallway you're going to have some bedrooms. We will go take a look at that in a minute, but I just want to show you the front door, the entryway, lots of windows. You still get lots of natural light even though you have those nice shade trees out there. Big windows back here as well. And this is a nice kitchen. This one does come with the refrigerator. You have your pantry here. Lots of cabinets, gas range, nice big sink. Lots of lower cabinets and upper cabinets. I always specifically look under the sink because usually if there's water damage or deferred maintenance, that's where you're going to see it the most. The refrigerator seems pretty nice and cold. Whatever house you move into, I highly recommend you having it what's called a make-ready clean. That's something I tell all my clients. They just come in and do a deep clean and kind of disinfect everything. You could also do it yourself, of course. Another view of the kitchen. So I am standing in the breakfast area. You have a bay window here, a ton of space, lots of windows, nice area here for a dining room table or a breakfast table. I'll give you a different view of that. And then this is your garage door here. And I did not turn the light on in here. Sorry about that. But there you go. You do have an irrigation system here, and that's going to be the electrical panel as well. So you'll come in from your garage directly into your kitchen, put down groceries. That makes it easy. So there's your living room, back door. Your primary is going to be there to the left of the back door. And then this is your formal dining area, or if you wanted to use it as a study. Right here off of the front door, you have your coat closet. And then you're going to have this hallway here. So to the right, you're gonna have a very good sized guest bedroom. Look at these tall ceilings. Nice ceiling fan. I'm a little echoey because it is a vacant house. There are some paint touch-ups needed over here. It looks like they actually touched up. It's the right color, but the wrong sheen. It looks like they put flat paint on a satin paint. So it's gonna stick out more than it needs to. But that's the only space I see in here, is those two there and that one there. Other than that, I don't see any other paint needs in here. Another tall hanging, and then they've taken this short rack out, but you could always add it if you wanted it. You have a nest here, which is nice. And in this one, you're going to have a laundry closet. So it's going to be a closet here off of this hallway. You are going to have additional cabinets up here for storage. You'll have your washer and dryer here. And then right next to that, you're gonna have a linen closet. So you can fold all your linen here when you're done washing it. And then you're gonna have another guest room here. These just have normal ceilings. Still very, very nice. Good sized room. Again, they've taken out the middle pole, so you have the upper pole, but you could add one there if you wanted. Now let's go take a look down here. This is gonna be the guest bath. Hi, that's me. This has been completely redone, which is nice. It's an oversized tub. That is just dirty, it's not stained, it's actually a newer tub. You're gonna have floor to ceiling tile all the way up. They've made this cute little insert here for soap and shampoo. It also comes with your shower, whatever, rod, I couldn't think of the word, sorry. A nice little upgraded vanity, extra mirrors, lots of light. Let's take a look in here. Oh yeah, new, no issues at all. There is a little bit of staining here on the sink. I'm assuming it's hard water, which all of Houston is, unless you buy a water softener. So that's going to be the guest bedrooms and guest bathroom. And then we can go to the primary in here. But big windows, this is a huge room. Huge. I mean, you have enough room to have a king-size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser, an armoire, plenty of room. You can even have like a little sitting area in here. So here's your primary bathroom. Double vanity, tons of storage. Look at that. Nice and clean. You have 3 sets of drawers, and they are like skinny, medium, and large. That definitely needs to be cleaned. And look at this closet. They already have shoe racks for you, look at that. So you're gonna have hanging on both sides here and a ton of shoes. Very nice. You're gonna have a separate water closet here with a door for privacy. So that's nice. And then like I said, you're gonna have the double vanity. Look at this shower. Huge stand-up shower. It does have the extra support here for ADA. Again, tile work done very well all the way to the ceiling. Very nice shower head, removable shower head. Look at that, 2 of them. You also have the added shelves there in the corner, plus the ledge there. Look at the tile. I mean, this shower is incredible. It's a frameless, oversized, very nice. And then you have your linen here. Look at that. Tons of storage. And you have this one up here too. I mean, I would need a ladder, but look at that. You have tons of storage all the way up and down. By the way, these are updated double pane windows, so it will be better for energy efficiency. You're gonna have this whole thing back here, concrete. Lots of grass. Oh, there's a squirrel. I don't know if you can see him. Look, there he is. He's escaping. You have a nice backyard. I can walk here because they didn't just mow it. You have this area here. There are pavers, which is nice. It looks like this is where they have their trash and recycling bins right here. And then you have the walk out gate to take it out. This is a good side yard. That's going to be your dining room and kitchen right there. Let me know what you think. Oh, it looks like there is some touch-up paint here, you can see. I didn't notice that earlier, but I just noticed it. I don't know if you can tell, but these are very tall ceilings. I mean like 12, maybe 14-foot ceilings. They are very tall. Taking you back for just one last look here.